Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to display an image field on a page layout in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to make records more visual and easier to identify at a glance, whether you're adding profile pictures to contacts or product images to your inventory records. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access Salesforce Setup. Look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can customize your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, direct your attention to the navigation bar. Right beside the Home tab, you'll see an option called Object Manager. Click on Object Manager to open it. This is your central hub for managing all the objects in your Salesforce organization, from standard objects like contacts and accounts to any custom objects you've created. Now you'll need to locate the specific object where you want to display the image field. In the search bar at the top of the Object Manager, type in your object name. For example, if you're working with contacts, type contact into that search field. When the results appear, click on the object label to open it. This brings up all the configuration options for that particular object. With your object open, look at the left sidebar where you'll see various sections listed under Details. Find and click on Page Layouts. Page layouts control how fields and related information are organized and displayed on record pages, so this is where you'll make your changes happen. You'll now see a list of all the page layouts associated with this object. Click on the specific page layout name you want to edit. For instance, if you're modifying the standard contact page layout, you'd click on Contact Layout. This opens the Page Layout Editor, which is a drag-and-drop interface that makes customization straightforward. At the top of the Page Layout Editor, you should see several palettes. Make sure the Fields palette is selected. If it's not already active, click on it to bring it into view. This palette displays all the available fields for your object that you can add to the layout. Now comes the fun part. Scroll through the fields list to find your image field. Let's say it's called Contact Image. Once you've located it, simply click and drag that field from the palette and drop it into the section of the layout where you want it to appear. You might place it at the top of the page for maximum visibility, or perhaps in a dedicated section with other media fields. The choice depends on how you want your users to interact with the record. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save button in the Page Layout Editor to apply your changes. The image field will now be visible on your record pages according to the layout you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully added an image field to your Salesforce page layout, making your records more visual and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.